Good morning, students. So before going to the practical questions of balance sheet, let me tell you that in the previous videos of this chapter we have discussed trading account, P&L account, and then we have discussed the format of balance sheet. But before moving to the practical questions of balance sheet, we will show you. I will tell you the differences between tangible and intangible assets. There are two types of assets in fixed asset: tangible or intangible. Tangible asset which can be touched or seen, intangible which can't be touched or seen. So basics of differences will be: first, physical existence. Tangible assets have physical existence, example plant, machine, furniture. Intangible assets do not have any physical existence, like goodwill, patent. Current versus non-current. Tangible assets can be non-current or current, but intangible assets usually fall in the category of non-current. Depreciation. In a depreciation chart, in its depreciation in are amortized, means we cannot charge depreciation, we can amortize it. Acceptance of as security. Lender accept these as security, but this can't be given to any other one. Tangible assets may be lost due to fire. Intangible assets cannot be lost due to fire. So this was the difference. This was the difference between tangible and intangible asset. So now I will show you an illustration of balance sheet. So plant and machine, it will be shown in the asset side. Land and building, it will be shown in the liability side. Asset side. Furniture, assets, they all things are fixed asset. Cash in hand, asset. Bank overdraft, liabilities. Debtors, liabilities. Creditor, asset. Opposite, vice versa. Debtors, asset. Creditors, liabilities. Bill receivable, asset. Bill payable, liabilities. Closing stock, asset. Investment, asset. Capital, liabilities. Drawing will be deducted from capital. Net profit will be added in the capital. If the amount is in debit side, it will be transferred to asset. If the amount is in credit side, it will be transferred to liabilities. But there is an exception. Drawings usually written in debit side, but we have to minus it from the capital. Okay. So in liability, there is first of all bank overdraft, we have shown. Bills payable, we have shown. Creditors, we have shown. Now capital was 15 lakh. 15 lakhs minus drawing 6,20,000. Add net profit 6,20,000. Then we have to minus the amount of drawing 1,30,000. 19,90,000 will come outside. The total of the liability side will be 24,70,000. Now let's move to the asset side. Cash in hand, bill receivable, investment, debtors, closing stock, furniture, plant and machine, land and building. Now when we add the items of liabilities and assets, our balance will be 24,70,000, and it will be our answer, and our balance sheet is tallied. So it was the example of balance sheet. In the next video, we will do a complete question in which we have to make trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet, and this chapter will be completed. So if you still find any doubts or query, you can ask. I will be there to help you out in all your needs.